crime of wearing.
Oh my gosh, she's dead.
Oh, damn it, you're not arrested, you're dead.
Oh my gosh, those clothes are hideous.
Can you think of anything else about fashion?
Other than fashion?
Yes, she's dead, you twit.
Oh, I'll call the police after I change the outfit.
No messing with the evidence.
But it's hideous.
Go shopping.
Oh, okay. So, oh my gosh, I saw this totally cute pair of shoes. Oh my gosh, ugly clothes.
Natalie, come in. Let's get her.
I'm not running in these shoes.
But Rose.
But they're cute and they got. Don't argue with me.
You, stop the name of fashion. Could me?
Yes, you.
Could be.
Then who's wearing that hoodie? It is.
Find her. Name and address, please. Bella Brandon.
Oh, that name sucks too. Can I find it for them?
No, what up last time?
Please.
Let me find it. No.
Hate you.
Love you too. Give her the fine, Rose.
Oh, right. Oh, I gotta find that guy.
Hey,
I'm
Rose.
gonna get my shoe.
Rose, I'll be a minute.
Okay.
Oh my god, Rose, look at the people. They are dressed awfully. We need to get them. But how?
Look. Singers wanted.
No.
Yes.
No, Rose.
Yes.
Rose, no.
Yes, come on.
Rose, no.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes, we
I
have
don't
to.
like singing.
Tough.
Rose, no dance.
Oh. Let's go.
Rose, I hate you.
Because you love me.
No, I take it back now.
All
The
right.
judges will see you now.
Okay.
Rose.
Hello.
Let us sing, Rose. Thank you.
Hello, my name
Hi, and I'm Tessa. So, what do you want? We want to audition for the show. And? What do you want us to do? Sing. I thought I was the dumb one.
You still are.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm Karma and this is Rose and we're going to sing Don't Leave Me By Pink.
I thought it was called Please Don't Leave.
So what do you think?
totally awesome.
Sorry, but that kind of sucked. I don't like you. I don't like you either.
Get a drink.
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
Who's not? Don't let my dog! Right?
Action.
Come on, my dog's still my... It did.
Yes, some guy came running in, eh? And he like killed him in front of me. I think we should get out of here because we might get murdered next.
Oh, yeah.
Get one. Okay. Oh my god, look, the nurse dead too.
Oh my gosh, she looks so much prettier. Oh my gosh, you know who the killer is?
Who?
It's me!
No, it's me, you muppet.
Oh. It's whatever.
Okay, go. Action. Go. Look, the nurse dead too.
Oh my gosh, but she looks so much better.
You are arrested for the crime of wearing.
Hideous.
Can you not just say action?
I thought you were supposed to do it.
Who's going like this?
So I'm like,
You're really Steven.
How about I signal you?
Okay, let's go.
alright, so
She can't sing me. But I'm signaling.
wait.
You signal me, I signal them. Why don't I just signal them?
Because that means we're looking up and it looks like we're looking at the clouds.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, I can't sing
No.
this stuff.
For the show. And? What do you want us to do? Sing. I thought I was the dumb one.
You still are.
Oh.
Okay, so I'm Karma and this is Rose and we're going to sing Don't Leave Me By Pink.
I thought it was called Please Don't Leave.